Production firm Simesta is engaged in the development and production of laboratory diagnostic tools in such fields as serology, molecular biology, bacteriology. The firm is interested in cooperation with private state enterprises, individuals whose activities are related to the use of infrastructure of immunobiological profile. The concept of infrastructure implies a single complex of material and organizational structures representing a technological platform. First of all, these are clean rooms on 3,000 square meters, deployed and designed in accordance with regulatory requirements, rooms with cleanliness. Class B, C, D connected communication provides strictly specified parameters for temperature and air humidity inside the room, for the purity of filtered air, and its exchange rate, negative or excess pressure between adjacent rooms. Specialized cleaning of premises, personnel clothing, in combination with the above, provides the declared level of cleanliness of the premises infrastructure implies. Formed flows of raw materials, auxiliary materials, finished products, and personnel. All production stages, from development to implementation of finished products, are conducted taking into account the requirements of the quality control system in accordance with DSTU 13485. Infrastructure implies the presence of equipment selected in quantity and with those quality characteristics which allow with minimum costs to set up the production of any product. Microbiological, serological, molecular, biological, pharmaceutical profile. Production with a limited nomenclature is not our profile. Infrastructure implies the qualification of personnel, which ensures the development and production of high-tech products, such as serological tests for in vitro diagnostics of autoimmune allergic and infectious diseases, PCR tests for diagnostics of infectious genetic diseases, culture media for cultivation and differentiation of microorganisms, reagent kits for staining microorganisms and their identification, reagent kits for biochemical identification of microorganisms, a wide range of discs with antibiotics, reagent kits for quality control of pre-sterilization cleaning and detection of hidden blood in biological material. Personalized autovaccine preparations related to the treatment of chronic infectious diseases, complicated and resistant to antimicrobial drugs, preventive and therapeutic antimicrobial vaccines, personalized probiotic products from our own collection of lacto and bifidobacteria, biologically active additives, dietary supplements, besides the production of products of our own development. Simesta can offer services for the study of pathophysiological conditions, creating models using laboratory animals as an example. Prostate cancer study of the immune response in laboratory animals to the administration of antigens of various nature, development and production of recombinant proteins in the isolation and purification of proteins. Fractionation of proteins, control of protein, specificity by Western blot, evaluation of the effectiveness of antimicrobial agents using reference strains of pathogens of infectious diseases by the disc diffusion method or by the method of inhibiting concentrations, development and production of discs with antibiotics of the latest generation obtaining polyclonal antibodies to metabolites, lyophilization of the biological mass of bacteria. Development of biologically active additives using probiotic strains of microorganisms.